Hello and welcome to another video. This video is all about trading strategy, which is for also boom and crush, but especially this strategy is designed for step index. You guys be able to use this strategy on step index, on boom and crush, minute 1 time frame, and also minute 5 time frame. What is this strategy all about? The first breakdown of this strategy is this. This strategy is about three indicators. We need to use them. They all are indicators, trend indicators we are going to use in this strategy. So let's get started to this strategy straightforward so you guys don't miss. First of all, let's switch to the step index, and after switching to the step index, so I will briefly guide you buddies how to do with this strategy. Now let's move to the inputs. How the inputs will work. First of all, go to indicator section, and here you guys can see, as I told you, to use three indicators. Take a screenshot and keep watching the video to set up later the strategy. Hopefully you take the screenshot. Let's save and let's move on. Right now again, take a screenshot and set it up later after watching this video. Okay, hopefully you guys took the screenshot of this strategy, and now let's click on save. The third one, which is the main one, in indicator window, make sure you go for indicator window. Okay, how to go for indicator window? Simply, first you have to select RSI or something and then add Ichimoku. Once you added the Ichimoku, delete the RSI and the Ichimoku will be there in indicator window 1. What's the settings? Let's move to the settings. Take a screenshot of these settings to set it up later. Hopefully you have done. Click on save and come back to the main chart. How to do this? The strategy is all about based on supply and demand. When to buy and when to sell. Each time when the moving averages, look here, the step index is started going upward from this point after touching this downside envelope, and once it crossed this moving average, look, it went, but it again fall. From the same price area it went again. Once it crossed the moving average above, upside, and the candles are closing above than this moving average. So this is your first confirmation of bullish signal. What's the second confirmation? The Ichimoku just changed the color into the green. Now this is your second confirmation of buy. Hopefully you guys understood. Now let's move for the sell. Here you guys see the sell has started. The sell is going downward, market is falling, and after some of time market started going down. Now let's move to get the signal in Ichimoku session. When we went to the Ichimoku, it's showing the market will go down because it turned into the red, which indicates us sell trend. So after getting it, just we need to do what? Simply go through this and follow the sell trade. Let me give you another example. If you want to do scalping, then if the Ichimoku is green, then go for buy from the down area. Ichimoku is green, go for buy from the down area. If Ichimoku is red, then go for sell from the upper area and do scalping only. Okay, in this way you guys will be able to make some profit. This is today buy we took based on this strategy. Here you guys can see the candles turned green, and after confirmation, when it went up above than this moving average, Ichimoku also turned green. Once Ichimoku also turned green, this is the signal of going up. So this is the strategy which you guys be able to use it everywhere on the boom and crush or step index. Okay, hopefully you guys will like and make some bucks with this strategy. Thanks for watching. Best of luck with your trading.